Okay, I'm going to say it. I love Chick-Fil-A sauce. Ever since we went plant-based, I've managed to give up the sandwiches and to give up the nuggets, but I occasionally give in to waffle fries and sauce. So, what's in this Mustard BBQ Mayo salad dressing blend? I figured it out. So now you can avoid the fat trap and enjoy that lovely fast food taste on baked fries with this no oil, vegan, mustard barbecue Chick-Fil-A Copycat sauce. Welcome back to Comfort Food Farms, the plant-based home cooking channel. If this is your first time, I'm Kari Greger. Let's get into it. To start off, you're going to need vegan mayonnaise. To stick with our no oil policy here, you must use something that you make from scratch. There's a link above and in the description below to the vegan mayonnaise we made last time. 1 cup of vegan mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of honey or agave. Of course, that's all up to you. You need 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce. Find something sugar-free or something that doesn't have any oil added to it. Then you need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend it all together and you have Chick-fil-A sauce. This sauce or salad dressing is really up to personal preference. There are no rules as to the specific amounts. I've gotten it as close as I can to Chick-fil-A sauce as possible, but if you have removed all of the salt and sugar from your diet, this is going to be too sweet for you. So I'd recommend backing off of the honey or the agave and only adding in small bits until it tastes right to you. Because remember, when you make it yourself, you have total control over the fat, salt, and sugar. Good information? Give me a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will know when another recipe is posted. I like to store the sauce in squeeze bottles so it's ready to be used, but if I don't have enough squeeze bottles, I'll put it in jars and store it in the refrigerator. This made 1 3/4 cups of sauce. Mustard barbecue Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm gonna have to make some fries to go with this. That's the right flavor. If you found some good information in this video, give me a thumbs up below. And while you're down there, subscribe and ring the bell so you will know when another vegan plant-based recipe is posted. And please leave a comment. I would love to know if you find this as delicious as I do. So, thank you for watching.